It's your favorite, Tanya and George. Anyways, today, Mr. Tree, if you can see that, Mr. Tree, Mr. Tree, right there. There you go, Mr. Tree. It's time for him to pass away. Time to change from vertical firewood to horizontal firewood. And we're going to do it with that, I don't know if you can see it there right there or not, but this 14-inch Ego battery-powered, what do you call it? Chainsaw. Yeah, chainsaw. That's what it is. Alrighty, I'm going to put you on my brand new tripod, and we'll see how it goes. Say a prayer for me. Okay.
Jacob, get out of the way! Please. So interested. Chickens are too close to the tree. Where's the tree? I don't know what to do.
That stinks. Battery's already. We try to be as cautious as possible. We try to think things through. Whenever you're trying to film cutting down a tree, it's imperative, absolutely imperative, that you make sure that your camera has enough battery power and you have enough memory left on your phone so you can have a good video. Can't believe I'm making these rookie mistakes. Just can't believe it. Okay, technical difficulty. Somehow we ran out of space on the phone. We didn't realize it. It was halfway through. It was a fantastic textbook cut and fall. So this battery operated Ego 14-inch cut down this tree. Mom, you want to bring the camera over here and they can see the tree over here? And it's still got a battery. Now I would like to say one thing is here's my notch, here's the stump, and there's where that ended up at. Most people would assume that it was going to be over here, but the one thing I tell my kids all the time, and no matter what you're dealing with danger, you never, ever, ever run from danger. You always run to safety. So I cut it, it started to fall, and if you look in this tree, you can tell how rotted the inside is. Now it's already started rotting on the inside. So, and the big tree next to it's even worse. It's got a lot more rot in it. So, like I said, I've been arborist, certified arborist, and so when I cut this, I stood back, and when I noticed the tree falling, I have a chance to go get the shotgun. Go ahead and shut that off.
You're good. Oh, yeah.
Anyway, so sorry about that. We had one of the neighbor's pit bulls come over and want to play with the chickens. It was the black and white pit bull that isn't really bad. The brindle's a little worse. So I just walked her home and the chickens followed me. And then the chickens followed me back. But anyway, so this is the wedge. This is the wedge I cut out of the tree. And like I was saying before, like I always tell my children, you never, ever, 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 ever run from danger. If you got a dinosaur chasing you, don't run from the dinosaur. Run for cover. Okay? So when I cut this tree down, if you notice where this log ended up at, it was because it's got a partner here that's growing along with it. So it has very lopsided foliage. And so even my wife knew this was going to roll. So I cut it until it started to fall, and then I just took a step back, watched it, and then just took one more step back, and this is where it landed. I stepped out of its way, running to a safe area instead of running from danger. So if you have a pit bull chasing you or something like that, just don't run to run away, because they're going to catch you. Run to a car, jump in the back of a pickup truck. Do something else than just run from it. Sorry, got pit bulls out. I'm just keeping an eye out.
Well, dogs in general,
So,
not necessarily just.
well, yeah, pit bulls are good dogs, but these two are our neighbors, and they're kind of overly friendly with the chickens. So, anyways, we got some more battery juice on here, so let's just see. Let's see a good example for what this thing does. So. And that's, well, I get this one right here. But that's about all the energy I have and this battery has. So, anyways, Echo 14-inch, 56 volt battery, 2 amp hour. So they do have a 5 and they do have a 7.5, which would last longer. So that's it, guys. Catch you on the next video.